I lost 180 pounds on a meat-focused way of eating, and here's what I ate today. I haven't showed you my morning stuff in a while. I woke up early, and then I remembered I didn't. Last night's Terri was cruel to today's Terri and didn't make my food. So I put in some peppermint mocha in here and some of my Fairlife milk, and I'll show you what I do next. All right. I know not everybody likes instant coffee, but for whatever reason, I do. So I take a tablespoon of instant coffee. Then, I always sprinkle it on there, so I got to get that off. I already took my pills this morning. I do a sprinkle of my chocolate electrolytes that I make. And then I do some, let's do butter pecan. 1, 2, 3. I used to do 4 pumps, but today, I've always done 4 pumps. Today I'm trying 3. Yesterday, after my 4 pumps, I was like, gosh dog, this is extra sweet. And I wasn't enjoying it as much. Oh, the babies are ready for their treats because they just ate their breakfast. Then I stir it up, but that's a much better view. Look at them faces. Look at those faces, guys. They say, guys, she's stalling. She's paying attention to you. And she should pay attention to us. I'm coming. I always have to slide it to you. You can't see. Listen, y'all gonna see what you see. And you're gonna like it. So, what I really wanted to do, I was thinking as I was laying in bed this morning, I thought to myself, you know what I think I wanted to try? One of these little dealies. Here you go, ma'am. Here you go, sir. Here you go, sir. Go. I thought I really want to try. Hi. How you doing? It's 5:30 in the morning. And the good Lord said, how you doing? And so I've been talking to him for a while. And so, anyway, God said, wake up, Terri Bear. So here I am. I'm awake, y'all. I'm awake. Oh, yeah, I know you're looking at my armpits and my back wings. It'll be all right. Okay. I wanted to try today. I wanted to see what it would be like to do the beef and pork. So it's 120 grams of beef and 120 grams of pork. Hang on, I got to rearrange and I'll be right back. Alrighty. Listen, I don't know how much 120 grams of my pork steak is. But, ooh, y'all, let me just zoom in on that because y'all don't need to see me in this early in the morning. Good golly, Miss Molly. Good golly, Miss Molly. Alright, let's focus on that. So since I don't know how much 120 is, I haven't tried it yet, I'm going to go ahead and take this pork steak and cut it into bite-sized pieces. And then I'll get the container and I'll see how much that is. So based on what my tracking and things and what my thinking was, I also have to add 15 grams of tallow or some kind of beef or pork fat. Well, I don't have any pork fat because I haven't prepped for this yet. But like I said, I just want to see how it looks and see what it's like. I've got a pretty good busy day, and which is a good thing. If I have days that are full of meetings and full of things, then it's better for me, or then I stay on track a little better. So, all right. So now I'm just gonna, and this is literally what I'll be doing, guys. I should have done this last night, but I wasn't very nice to today's Terri. Let's see how much 120 grams of pork is. Oh, thank goodness. I was worried it was going to be not much. Okay. Now this other little pork I'll just put in here. So I'm debating on what I'm going to do, whether I'm going to crock pot a bunch of pork steak or whether I'm going to, buy a pork butt. I truly don't have it. Well, that's awful. Anyway, it don't matter. I have not figured out what I'm going to do yet, how I'm going to prep it all. Okay, so that's 120 grams of pork. Let's do 120 grams of ground beef. All right. Well, that's not awful. I was concerned that it was going to be not very much. So I'm definitely okay with that. So that's how much it is. And then I have to do 15 grams of the fat. So let's pull this out. Oh, I know what I could do. Hang on. Let's just do this. Maybe I can make some cuts in this. I should have heated up this knife, but it'll take an hour just for my hot water to heat up. Now, if I just know, as long as you see this video, everything's fine, okay? Just know, I might be bleeding or something, but as long as you see my videos, I did not, remove an appendage. All right, so we want to zero that out. And the puppy dogs think I'm talking to them. 8 grams. 13 grams. Let me get the stuff that's on the bottom. 14 grams. I feel like I'm a mad. Oh no, that's 19. I feel like I'm a mad scientist. All right. So there we go. That is what I'm going to be taking. They're not used to me talking so much in the mornings, are they? That's what we're going to be taking. So what I've been doing is helping tracking Terri out. So I'll say, where's my pen? Now, this, I figured this out. So I don't know how my tracker's going to do it right, but that's all right. So 120 GB, 120 pork, and then 15 gram tallow. All right, so now what I do, I put my lid on here, and we can't forget my cheese. But let's see. So I put that little jobber, let me slide it down in there. All righty, now just a second, I gotta get my cheese. All right, and I thought I pushed record, but I did not. I added some brown butter roasted garlic. I added some caramelized onion butter and some nutritional yeast and some salt. So I put that in here. And then we've got our cheese. And I brought a Dr. Zevia. I want to try that today. And our cheese today is mature cheddar. Put that in there, got my spoon in there. So that is ready to go. I was telling y'all something. Oh, yeah. I am going to go ahead and, this hurts my heart, but I'm going to go ahead. I have some salsa that's open. I had bad heartburn last night, y'all. Bad. Like I had to take something bad. And so I'm going to just, because I'm not going to be using them again for a long time, and so I don't want them just like taking up space in my refrigerator and going bad, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna go ahead and toss them. I think there's only like not that much in them anyway, so I'm gonna toss those. I don't know, didn't seem to I don't know, we'll see what else I come across as I go, but I'm gonna toss those and my pickles. That way trash is today, so today's a good day just to get them out. So all right, I'll see you. In case I can't record at lunch, because it's getting colder, I may not want to go out. But now you know what I'm eating for lunch, so that'll work. All right, I'll just see you at Lupper. Just know that that's going to be good. Okay, bye. Oh, yeah. And I'll plug the macros in for you today, too. Bye. Hey, good looking. What you got cooking? Oh, dang, I forgot the salt. Oh, hang on, then we'll get to cooking. I lied. We ain't cooking, we're eating. And my timer just went off. It said I need to plug in my phone. I always plug in my watch, and I try to remember to take it with me. Last week I forgot it. I plug in my watch, and then I usually plug in my phone. Hang on, let me get y'all plugged in here. Woo! How are you doing? I'm doing good over here. Hang on. So lunch was good. I ate it all and it was good. I got hungry afterwards, about 3, but I wasn't really pouring on the water like I needed to and like I usually do when I'm in weight loss mode. So that's something I need to remember to do. So we're having the same thing as, well, kind of. I boiled some pork belly a couple weeks ago and popped it in my freezer. Well, what I need to do, I want to eat it out of my freezer and get it out of it. So I've got 2 bags in my refrigerator to eat this weekend. And then I have some right here. So I've got everything tracked that I ate today. I'm just kind of playing around. I'll put them at the end. Listen, I have pool tonight. So I can't never guarantee I get everything done. So it's kind of like you got a choice. Either go and get macros or pool. I can't guarantee both. Anyway, oh. I took my switch out, added some coffee, and I microwaved it and put it in this. My thought, I'll take this with me because I don't want to take in 2 cups that have to be washed. So I'll take this with me. When I'm done, I'll switch over to my water. But this gives me a little something for energy until I get home. And then I'll be belly aching about not being able to get to sleep. Shut it. Pork steak. No, it ain't. That's tomorrow. Whatever amount is, you'll see it. You'll see it. I got you pictures of it. With my plan, even whenever I start my plan that I've got figured out, I got to do a bunch of meal prep this weekend because I got to do the pork steaks. I've got a whole bunch in my freezer, so I don't really need to make a bunch. But the ground beef I'll need. Because I'll need the tallow. It ain't technically tallow, but rendered fat. I'll need that from... Anyway, all right. I love y'all. Just know I went to pool tonight. All right, bye. Okay, get your pause button ready. That's what I had my breakfast coffee. And coming up here, this is what I have plugged in for my lunch. And that was delicious at work. And this is what I had for my supper tonight. And hang on. Here is my daily macros. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.